What's the meaning of ampoule? Ampoule. 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 Ampoule.
An ampoule is a small sealed glass or plastic container that holds a single dose of medication or other solution. They are commonly used in the medical and pharmaceutical industries to store and dispense injectable drugs, vaccines, and other treatments. Ampoules are designed to be opened by breaking off the neck of the container, which ensures sterility and prevents contamination of the contents. Due to their small size and secure sealing, ampoules are ideal for transporting and dispensing single doses of medications in a safe and efficient manner.